Once you feel like you can play the drone note quietly and loudly, and get the drone note at will, I want you to try this. Try saying the alphabet while you're buzzing your lips. Do it without the didgeridoo first. That's going to look like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, etc. On the didgeridoo, that's going to look like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now, you're not going to be able to say those letters clearly, but it's important to be able to move your mouth in those ways. Allow your jaw to move while you're playing, and see if you can keep your lips buzzing. If you lose the drone, stop and try again. Always start these exercises from the drone note first, and then try. If you have to do it in multiple breaths, that's okay. If you feel yourself getting lightheaded, stop, rest for a moment, and try again. Once you feel like you've gotten all the way through the alphabet, both with and without the didgeridoo, I want you to focus on the letter P and the letter B when starting the drone note. Both of these consonants are popping consonants, where your lips are going to resist the air pressure for a moment before you actually make the sound. Like this. Pa, pa, or ba, ba. See how my lips are resisting? I'm tightening them and then letting it pop. Now, if you do that to get into the buzz for the drone, that's going to look like this. Can you see how I'm resisting? Here's the letter B with the buzz. They sound almost the same, but I'm using slightly different muscles to do that. Whichever one works best for you is what you should try. On the instrument, that's going to look and sound like this. Or the letter B. Here's the letter P again. And the letter B. If you can, every time you try to create the drone note, try to start it with one of these consonants. I think you'll find that it's easier to get to the drone, and you'll create a stronger, louder, and clearer tone. To recap, buzz your lips to create the drone. Buzz your lips fast and then slow to find the drone. Once you've found the drone, play quietly and loudly. Once you can play quiet and loud, try the alphabet. Once you've gotten the alphabet, try starting your drone with a P or a B. It's important to remember that you're not trying to fill the instrument with all of the air in your lungs. You're actually just trying to use enough air to get your lips to vibrate at the right speed. Always remember, if you feel lightheaded, stop, take a break, breathe, and then start again. Playing the didgeridoo, even learning how to play the drone, if you practice 10 to 20 minutes a day, you will strengthen the muscles in your throat. Now, learning the drone and playing quietly and loudly is going to be the most important technique for you for our next lesson, learning how to circular breathe. All of us are going to have to practice this.